Welcome. If you're a Pinterest user who values privacy, you'll want to pay close attention to this video. Today, I'll show you how to prevent Pinterest from using your data to train Pinterest Canvas on your PC. With the latest update, Pinterest has made it easier than ever to control how your information is used, and I'll guide you through each step. Let's get started. First, open Pinterest from your preferred browser on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary settings. Once you're on the main Pinterest page, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account preferences. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy and Data. Click on it to open up more options related to how Pinterest handles your information. Here's the important part. Look for the option that says Use your data to train Pinterest Canvas. By default, this box may be checked, meaning Pinterest can use your activity and data to improve their Canvas feature. To stop this, simply uncheck the box. After you've unchecked Use your data to train Pinterest Canvas, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom or top of the page and click it. This ensures your new privacy preference is applied. And that's it. You've just taken control over how your data is used on Pinterest. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy browsing and creating on Pinterest with greater peace of mind, knowing your information won't be used to train Pinterest Canvas. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on protecting your privacy online. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.